couple of weeks ago, I introduced you to a couple of pages in my DIY art journal that I'd made with my patrons, and I'm back in the same book today to go through the next pages in it. Because, well, I think it would be fun to show you where I went with it next. Because I don't know if you remember, it actually has, well, you can see it here, it actually has these variable pages in it as well. It's a variable page book. So all the pages, they're not uniform sizes, which makes it very interesting to work in. And I love that. I love seeing the different bits of the pages together, and you've got like little snippets of art peeking through and influencing other art that you're doing on there. So it all adds a bit of fun to it. So to get the next pages started, I used some elements from the first pieces of artwork, the artwork that you can see sort of peeking through from that previous page, and I'm just extending them on the new page. And the only thing that I want to try and remember is that I don't want to add anything else to the artwork that's already done. So I don't want to accidentally put some new marks on here or add some new colour or anything like that. It's fine on the fresh pages, but not on the artwork, the pages I've already done. I mean, you could do quite easily, nothing's stopping you from doing that. It's just that for these particular pages, I didn't want to do that. So I'm trying to keep mindful of that. Trying not to get too carried away that I accidentally work on the artwork that's already been done. And it did take me a little bit of trying to remind myself to keep them in mind. The colours that I've picked were actually chosen beforehand, and I was working on around about a couple of different pieces in this art session. And I think they were all using either these colours or very similar colours. So I already knew what I wanted the colours to be, but I didn't know where I wanted these pages to go. Extending some of the artwork that's already there was just a great way to get me started. And one thing just led to another, as you'll see. And I really enjoyed working on this piece today. Originally, I had thought that it would be 2 separate pages, like the other pages from last time. But as you saw, I mean, quite early on, it turned into just one piece. And I love how it kind of both goes with, but also contrasts the other pages that you can see. And it's fun because it's like it sort of changes the art up. So you're expecting one thing, you turn the page and it changes it up completely. It's like some sort of hidden image or hidden message or something like that. So if you look, that's the original art that I showed you last time, and then if I open it up, it turns into that. And it's going to be really fun working on the next pages, because now if I turn the page, I've got this section here that runs between all of the different artwork that's on here. And then when we turn this section, we've got this. So that's an interesting one. We've got this orange strip sheet left over as well. But I think I might actually have to work on this page first because of this section here. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where I go with it next time. I hope that's filled you with some ideas for your next project, even if you're not using a book that's got variable pages in it. Have lots of fun and watch these videos next if you're looking for some more ideas. See you next time.